Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ZuluTrade. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ZuluTrade is one of the most popular social trading platforms in the world and is licensed and regulated in Europe, Japan, and the USA. Social trading is a form of copy trading where platforms such as ZuluTrade are used to automate and duplicate the trades of strategy providers and professional traders. This is a great way for beginners to invest real money and familiarize themselves with different trading strategies, or for experienced traders to test new strategies and diversify their portfolios with minimal risks. ZuluTrade is trusted by more than 20 leading Forex brokers, including FXCM, TechMill, IC Markets, and Think Markets. This platform can be used to trade a wide range of Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. To learn more about the instruments you can trade with ZuluTrade, click on the Markets tab. ZuluTrade offers an interactive, user-friendly website. You can easily find out more about the features and markets ZuluTrade offers by choosing an option directly from the menu bar. You can view the top strategy providers directly from the homepage, as well as live spreads on trending instruments. Further down the page, several perks of being a ZuluTrade client are highlighted, and you will be able to view all the brokers that use ZuluTrade. You can also use the menu bar at the bottom of the homepage to jump to different sections of the website. ZuluTrade does not currently offer any trading bonuses. However, you can join the affiliate program to earn a commission for every account that is created using your link. The ZuluTrade customer support team is available 24 hours a day, and you can reach them via email, live chat, or telephonically. To view their contact details, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click on Contact Us under the Information menu. We recommend reading the guides provided to get you started with your investor account, your trading account, or your affiliate account. The trading guide is a detailed introductory guide about payments, platforms, compliance, and using strategies. We also recommend visiting the Help Center for helpful tips and expert advice on using the ZuluTrade platform, as well as managing your accounts. ZuluTrade offers unique features to protect clients and is suitable for both beginners and professional traders. ZuluGuard is a proprietary feature which monitors trading behavior and automatically removes a trader from a strategy provider's profile if there are any deviations from the strategy. This is done to prevent any potential losses beyond the parameters of the strategy. ZuluGuard can be used by all types of traders for any trading strategy, and it has intuitive risk management features that will instantly open and close positions based on specified amounts. The ZuluTrade Automater uses an automating program by combining technical analysis with pre-configured rules and expert advisors to open and close positions. ZuluTrade's automating program has predetermined strategies built into the system, and it can be used to follow trend-based strategies and trade in high volumes with minimal risks. You can also use ZuluTrade to backtest and refine your trading strategies using market data in a simulated trading environment. This gives you an opportunity to optimize your strategies and determine your potential profits and losses. ZuluTrade also has a proprietary coding language called ZuluScript, which enables investors to create condition-based scripts that can carry out trading operations using a set of custom instructions. In addition to the proprietary protection features offered, ZuluTrade also provides a set of trading tools to calculate profits, spreads, and margins. To learn more about the features of ZuluTrade, simply click on the Invest tab, or scroll to the bottom of the homepage and choose an option from the Features menu. Creating an account with ZuluTrade may take up to 24 hours. However, the account creation process is straightforward, and you can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the ZuluTrade homepage and then click on the Register button. Complete the online application form, then verify your account and email address. After your account has been verified, you can log into your client portal, and once your account is set up and approved, you can fund your account and start trading. If you'll be using the ZuluTrade Automater, open a trading account or sign in to ZuluTrade. Then open the Traders tab and choose a strategy provider. Then click on the Follow button and fund your account. You can then click on the Follow button again, and you are now copy trading. If you are new to copy trading, or you have never used ZuluTrade before, you can find some helpful tips and articles by clicking on the Learn tab. ZuluTrade has a thriving social trading community, and you can visit the Help Center, watch tutorials, and read through dozens of articles on the ZuluTrade blog to help you with everything that you need to get started. The ZuluTrade forum and FAQ section can be used to find answers to some of the most commonly asked questions. And you can use their economic calendar to keep track of important financial events and market activity. You will also be able to view live price feeds on all the instruments, and you will have access to a wide range of charts and technical indicators from the TradeStation interface. Overall, ZuluTrade is one of the best rated, safest copy trading platforms in the world. This platform can be used by investors, beginners and professional traders, and is also a great option if you are looking for a rewarding affiliate partnership. Some of the most popular Forex brokers use ZuluTrade to offer copy trading services to their clients. And ZuluTrade has a thriving community with thousands of users worldwide. We highly recommend using ZuluTrade if you are interested in being a copy trader or being a strategy provider. If you'll be copying trades, each combo you select is managed by ZuluTrade's certified management portfolio team. You can use ZuluTrade either by trading through a regulated broker or by registering directly from their website. Once you have created an account, you will have access to ZuluGuard, tools for automated trading, and plenty of other trading tools. So if you are interested, be sure to start automating your trades with the world's leading copy trading platform today and get the competitive edge that you've always been looking for. And that is our overview of ZuluTrade. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.